We are moving on now and shifting our focus to some breaking news coming in. Now, this is about India's game plan amid the Gulf War. We've accessed some exclusive details on India's strategy. The strategic gas reserves, that's on card. So, Oil Ministry's draft proposal is ready. As per our sources, the center is now likely to work in this direction to speed up the process. Let's go across to Hina, who's getting us more details. So, just like oil reserves, India working on gas reserves?
Absolutely, Swati. Just like crude oil, India also relies on the Middle East for import of LNG as well as LPG. Now, this disruption that we have seen at the Strait of Hormuz has led to our supplies getting disrupted. So to prepare for any such, thing like this in the future, the government, we have learned, is now planning to also have strategic gas reserves, just like we have strategic oil reserves at this point in time. Remember, our strategic oil reserves currently are in states like Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Now what we have learned from sources is that the government, looking at the current scenario, is likely to speed up the process of setting up gas reserves, just like we have crude reserves right now. And Oil Ministry already has prepared a draft proposal, is what we have learnt. And Oil Ministry has completed consultations with the relevant stakeholders as well. Initial proposal suggests setting up a dedicated entity on the lines of Indian Strategic Petroleum Reserves Limited. So there's going to be a specific body, specific entity that's going to be looking at this entire thing, and then implementation is going to begin. As of now, it's just at the proposal stage. No work really has been done, but it seems that given the current scenario and the kind of problems that we have faced, the entire process could get expedited.
All right, Hina, thank you very much for getting us the breaking inputs. With that, we're slipping into a very short break, but we have a lot more lined up on the other side.